welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to welcome you, and if you're returning, thank you for your support. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious smothered shrimp. To get started, I already washed and deveined my shrimp, and I'll be using some chicken broth. I have parsley, onions, garlic, bell pepper, some butter, heavy cream. All of the seasonings I will list down below, and I also will be using some flour. Let's jump into this amazing recipe. So to season the shrimp, I'm gonna add some oil, and then we'll be using some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, Old Bay, and some chicken bouillon. We will add those to the shrimp, mix well, and set aside. To a preheated skillet, I will add some oil, allow that to heat up a bit, and then we'll go in with our shrimp. We'll cook the shrimp first for about, let's say about 3 minutes. You don't want to cook it too long because we will continue cooking it in our sauce. So you want to let this go for about 1.5 minutes and then flip it over, allow it to go for another 1.5 minutes, and then we'll remove it and set it aside. To the same skillet, I will add some butter, allow the butter to melt. Once it melts, we'll go in with our aromatics. You want to add the onions, garlic, and bell peppers. Mix well and allow those to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you want to add your flour. Stir that in real well and allow the raw taste to be cooked for about 2 minutes. Then we'll go in with our liquid. So at this point, you want to add the chicken broth as well as the heavy cream and your seasoning to add flavor and taste to the dish. Now, you can also use white wine in place of chicken broth, or you can use seafood stock. Just use whatever you have on hand or whatever you prefer to use. Once we give this a good stir, we'll allow it to thicken up. Once it thickens, we'll add our shrimp in. Give that a stir, allow to go for about 1 minute or so. Then we will finish it up with a garnish of fresh parsley. And that's it, guys. This is so simple and easy, and it's to die for. Absolutely amazing. So I did pair this up with some cheesy grits, but you could also have it with mashed potatoes, pasta, whatever you prefer. It is absolutely delicious, and I can't wait for you all to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy!